Set a goal statement in life. Always set a goal statement in life and do whatever it takes to reach that goal. It says that if you were born poor, it is not your fault. But if you die poor, yes, it is your fault. Everyone has some kind of unique strength. So try to identify your unique signature strength. See, the focus is on unique signature strength, then follow the strength, and then you will be successful. If you try to be the best, you will be number one. If you try to remain unique, you will be the only one. So focus on the depth of your strength, not on the width. Identify your strength and then master your strength. You have to develop a laser sharp focus on your unique strength. Again, my focus is laser sharp. Focus on the unique strength. Do not try to catch all buses. Laser can cut the diamond. So laser sharp focus should be on your potential. Say no to almost everything else. Whatever related to your goal, accept it, and if not, reject it. Then you will perform 20% and your result will be 80%. Stay focused and stay curious and do what you say you will do. All of your dreams come true if you have the courage and to pursue them. If you like these kind of motivational videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Sai My Academy. And thank you so much for watching it.